how to connect Nintendo account to Epic Games. So first what you want to do is just simply go to the Epic Games website right here on your browser, then click on your profile icon on the top right, so make sure that you're logged in. Then click on account. Once you're on your account, just simply go to the left side right here and click on apps and accounts section. Then as you can see right here, you will see the Nintendo account, where you could simply click the button connect right there to connect their Nintendo account to your Epic Games. So when you click on that, this will pop up. So just simply click on connect account. Then wait for this pop-up browser to load. And now as you can see, I'm currently logged into my Nintendo account on the Nintendo website. That's why it just went straight to this. But for you, if you have not logged in yet, the browser will prompt you to log in first before you could see this page. But once you're here, just simply click on I agree. Now once that's done, just simply click on continue. So as you can see, it says success. So click on continue and wait for it to load. Now once you go back right here, it says that you've successfully connected your Nintendo account to your Epic Games account. As you can see, it is right there. That's how you basically connect your Nintendo account to your Epic Games.